Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Ledger Nano X wallet. First, unbox your device and connect it. Next, download the Ledger Live application to your computer or mobile phone. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your device, including creating a 4 to 8-digit PIN code. Crucially, write down your 24-word recovery phrase on the provided sheet and store it in a very safe, private location. This phrase is your ultimate backup. Once your Ledger Nano X is set up, open Ledger Live and connect your device. To manage your digital assets, navigate to the Accounts section and select Add Account. You can then choose from a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Ledger Live will prompt you to install the specific application for that coin directly onto your Ledger Nano X, enabling secure management. Sending and receiving cryptocurrencies with your Ledger Nano X is straightforward and secure. To receive funds, simply select the desired account in Ledger Live and copy its unique receiving address. Share this address with the sender. For sending, choose the account, enter the recipient's address, and specify the amount. Always double-check all transaction details on your Ledger Nano X screen before confirming the transfer with its physical buttons. Maintaining the security of your Ledger Nano X is paramount. Always safeguard your 24-word recovery phrase. It is the master key to your funds. Never, under any circumstances, share your PIN code or recovery phrase with anyone, even if they claim to be Ledger support. Regularly update your device's firmware and the Ledger Live application to ensure you have the latest security enhancements. Use a strong, unique PIN code, between 4 and 8 digits, for maximum protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.